Students, this is 40th maths class. Look at that one more simple question on the board. The minute hand of a watch, of a clock is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? So right here it is asked to find out distance traveled by tip of the minute hand in 40 minutes. You all seen the clock very well. Clock. So right, this is clock. So 12, 3, 6, 9. So minute hand of a watch is right. So you take minute hand. So minute hand. So minute hand, right? Minute hand, length of minute hand given. Length of minute hand means radius. Length of minute hand means radius is given. Next, how far does its tip move in 40 minutes? In 40 minutes, minute hand travels a certain distance. That means here it is asked to find out arc length. That minute hand, tip of the minute hand travels along the circle. Tip of the minute hand travels along the circle. That means we need to find the length of the arc length. So in 40 seconds, so we need to calculate length of the arc, that means distance covered by minute hand in 40 minutes. Now let us go for students. R given, so theta is required to calculate. L is asked to find out. Look at this students. Minute hand. You have seen minute hand in a clock. Minute hand takes 1 hour to complete one rotation. Am I correct? Minute hand takes 1 hour to complete one full rotation. One full rotation means how much is that angle? Angle is 360 degree. For one full rotation, angle generated is 360 degree. One full ಸುತ್ತು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ angle ಹೇಳಿ 360 degree. That means minute hand generates 360 degree in 1 hour. Am I correct? 1 hour ಅಲ್ಲಿ minute hand ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು angle ಹೇಳಿ? ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು angle? 360 degree. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? minute hand creates 360 degree in 1 hour. That is what I am going to write. Solution. Angle by so minute hand. Angle by minute hand in 1 hour is equal to 360 degree. Is that correct? Angle by minute hand in 1 hour is equal to 360 degree. 1 hour means 60 minutes. You know that very well. So 1 hour. So same implies same thing. Angle by so minute hand. So in 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. In the place of 1 hour, I am taking 60 minutes. So this implies angle by minute hand. So minute hand. So in 1 minute. So divide both sides by 60. If I divide 60 by 60, I am going to get 1 minute. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 60 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, or bring this 60 down, bring that 60 down, this 60 degree, so by 60, 360 degree by 60, 0 get cancels, 6 6 are, 6 6 are, so right, 6 degree, 6 degree, minute hand generates 6 degree in 1 minute. For us, according to question, we need angle for 40 minutes. ನಮಗೆ angle 40 minutes ಬೇಕು. So that means that implies angle for 40 minutes. 40 minutes is equal to multiply both sides by 40. 40 minutes, multiply both sides by 40. 40 minutes, 40 into 6 degree. So tell me that 6 4s are 240 degree. So 240 degree. We got the angle theta. Theta. We got theta. How much is theta? 240 degree. Further, length of the minute hand. Length of the minute hand is radius given. Radius given. R is equal to 1.5 centimeter given. Further, it is asked to calculate. It is asked to find out distance travelled by tip of the minute hand. So tip of the minute hand travels along the curve, moves along the circle, means arc length is asked. Arc length ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. We represent arc length by L. L required. So L equals question mark. We have a formula. So tell me that formula. L equals r theta. L equals r theta. So L equals, tell me r, 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter into theta 240 degree. So 240 degree. So is it possible to multiply degree and centimeter? No. Convert degree into radians, because radians can be multiplied to centimeter, meter, whatever it is, because radians is nothing but just like a real number. So convert degrees into radians. So degrees in a radians convert ಮಾಡಿ. 5 radians is equal to 180 degree. 5 radians is equal to 1 degree, 180 degree. We need to convert degrees into radians. Calculate 1 degree. From this 1 degree is equal to, give that down, 5 radians by 180. 5 radians by 180 or 5 by 180 radians. So right, convert 240 degree, multiply throughout by 240 degree. So multiply by, so 240 degree. So 240. So 240 into 1 degree is equal to 240 into 5 by 180 radians. Radians. Powers are radians, right? 0 get cancels. 6 3s are, 6 4s are. I think it is 4 pi by 3 radians. So L is equal to 1.5 centimeter into 4 pi by 3 radians. Radians. You all know that very well. Centimeter into radians means centimeter. For that pi you write 3.14 or 27 by 7. Use your calculator and simplify. Use your calculator and simplify. So now look at this, students. I write here. So observe this. So L equals 1.5 centimeter into radian means centimeter. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Pi means 22 by 7. So multiply. Use your calculator to answer it. So L equals, I think, tell me product of this numerator. So write it. You use your calculator, multiply the numerators and multiply denominator. After dividing numerator by denominator, so you are going to get 6.28 approximately centimeter. Centimeter. So centimeter into radians is nothing but centimeter. That means, so tip of the minute hand travels this much distance. I hope you understood, students. let us go for solving one more question. So right, let us move on to solving. Look at this, students. One more simple question. If the arcs of the same length in two circles subtend angle 65 degree and 110 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. Ratio of their radii. For that solution, for that first circle, you take arc length as L1. L1 equals R1 theta 1. This is the arc length of first circle, radius of first circle, angle generated by arc length for the first circle. ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್ L1 ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ R1 ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದೇ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಥೀಟಾ 1 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ L2, so R2, so theta 2. For that second circle, you take arc length as L2, radius as R2, so angle generated as theta 2. Given in the question given, both these two arc lengths are equal. The arcs of the same length. L1 is equal to L2. In the question itself it is given, arc lengths of both the circles are equal. L1 is equal to L2. Substitute. So this implies R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. I think here it is asked to find out ratio of their radii. Radius means singular, radii means plural. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಗೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದು R2 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತನ್ನಿ, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ R2. ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ theta 1 ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ R1 by R2 is equal to, so theta 2 by theta 1. So how much is R1 by R2? It is theta 2 by theta 1. Theta 2 by theta 1. Substitute theta 1, theta 2 given. So right there. This implies R1 by R2. So theta 2. So tell me second angle, students. 110 degree. Theta 1 65 degree. Theta 2 110 degree. So it is 110 degree. So right by theta 1 65 degree. 65 degree. 110 degree by 65 degree. So right. So now look at this, students. Degree get cancels. Is that correct? You need not to go for converting degree into radians. Degree get cancels. R1 by R2 is equal to 110 by 65. Divide this by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So next. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are. So we got that ratio 22 by 13. Therefore, R1 is to R2 is equal to 22 is to 13. The ratio of the radii is 22 is to 13. I hope you understood this well. So okay, students, let us go for one more question. Look at this one more simple question, students. Find the degree measure. Here it is asked to find out in terms of degree. Find the degree measure and at the degrees al ಮಾಡಿ. Angle subtended at the center of the circle. Angle subtended means generated at the center of the circle of radius 100 centimeter on arc of length 22 centimeter or given. So R is 100 centimeter. So length L is 22 centimeter. Theta is asked. Theta is question mark. We have a formula. L equals R theta. L equals R theta. From the theta is L by R. L by R. Theta equals, what is L? 22 centimeter. R 100 centimeter. centimeter get cancels. So 22. So divide by 2. 11 by 50. So 11 by 50. So this is real number. A real number means it should be in radians. Radians. So radians. Radians alide adu. So right, radians. This is in radians. Real number is nothing but radians. There is no difference between radians and real number. Namage radians ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Now change this into degrees. So right, we have this formula. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. We need to convert radians into degrees. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. So now let us go for converting. Multiply both sides by 11 by 15. So 11 by 15. So multiply by, so 11 by 50. So 11 by 50. Multiply both sides by 11 by 50. 11 by 50 into 1. So 11 by 50 radians. So is equal to, so 11 by 50 into, so 180 by, pi is 22 by 7. So degrees. This is in degrees. This is in degrees. Simplify that. So write. So 11 by 50 into 180 into 180 by 22 into 7. Reverse it. 7 goes to numerator. So degrees. So degrees. You use your calculator of decimals. Of decimals. Theta value. This is theta value. So theta equals. Now, students, you simplify this by using your calculator. So multiply numerators and multiply denominators. Divide. Use your calculator. You are going to get 12.6 degrees. So write 12.6 degrees. I hope you understood this, students. Let us go for solving one more question. So write. Look at this one more simple question, students. Find the angle in radians. Here it is asked to find out the angle in terms of radians. Angle and radians alli ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Through which a pendulum swings. Have you seen swinging of the pendulum? Pendulum. It swings like this. That to and fro, motion. To pro motion. You see that swinging of the pendulum. Swinging of the pendulum. If its length is 75 centimeter, length of the pendulum is 75 centimeter. Means radius given. Pendulum's length means radius given. Radius r given. R equals 75 centimeter. Tip describes an arc length. Tip, while it is moving, while the movement of the tip, so arc will be generated. So arc, tip describes arc, circular arc. Arc length is also given. Arc length. So L given. L is 10 centimeter. Here it is asked to find out theta. So theta required. Theta equals question mark. So L equals r theta. So L equals r theta. So from this tell me theta. Theta equals L by r. So theta equals L 75 centimeter or 10 centimeter. I think centimeter get cancels. So write 75 by 10 centimeter. So write L equals r theta. L, sorry students, L 10 centimeter. I have not seen that L is 10 centimeter by R is 75 centimeter. Centimeter get cancels. So 10 by 75, a real number. A real number means it must be in radians only. All real numbers are nothing but in radians only. There is no difference between real number and radians. 5 2s are. So right, 5 2s are. You do one thing, students. Divide by using your calculator. So 10 divided by 75. So tell me answer. You use your calculator and go for dividing, or otherwise you can keep your answer here itself. This itself is correct. So or you go for 2 5s are 10. Sorry, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are, so 2 by 15 radians. You can write your answer, you can write this itself as your answer, you will get full marks. Or otherwise you go for dividing by using your calculator. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 remains 25. 5 5s are 25, correct? So divide this by using your calculator. You may get 0.13, so on, 13, once again 133, so on, radians. 1333. So right, I hope you understood this question, students. Let us stop this class. We shall continue in the next class.